This video will describe the process of downloading a verification of enrollment from SOLUS Student Centre. Please note we will be using the development environment of SOLUS Student Centre for demonstration purposes. This screen illustrates the home page of SOLUS Student Centre. Select the tile called Academic Records. The left-hand navigation menu contains links to components within the Academic Records tile of SOLUS Student Centre. To download Verification of Enrolment, select Verification of Enrolment in the left-hand navigation menu. This page shows the available academic years to download Verification of Enrolment. Select the year of interest. Once selected, review the pertinent information shown on screen. Prior to downloading Verification of Enrolment, ensure pop-up blockers are disabled on the web browser. For more information on how to do this, visit the SOLUS Help page on the Office of the University Registrar website. Select Retrieve to access Verification of Enrolment. This will display as a PDF in a new browser window, which can be downloaded or saved from the browser onto your computer. To retrieve Verification of Enrolment for a different academic year, select Change in the top left corner. Alternatively, to return to the main page of SOLUS Student Centre, select SOLUS Student Centre in the top left corner.